Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are at another classic car show in beautiful, well, I suppose it's God's country because it's Durham, where we have gorgeous Durham Cathedral, the land of the bishops. So here we are at Ushaw in Durham. The weather's just beautiful today. Poured down last night, which, let's face it, guys, we need the rain. But yeah, let's have a flaunch round and enjoy the day. Well, here we go, Durham Ushaw 2025. Let's go around this quickly. That's nice anyway. Let's have a quick look at this. That's killer cool. Right. I'm very easily distracted. There's a beauty. I think I know the guy who got that. It's a Minter, Muggy Minor. It's going to be a busy one today. It's nice. Nice XJS V12. That. You guys know I've had about 7 of those V12s.
How much is it? How much is it to your
Yummy area. Right guys, check this Audi C6 out. RS6, awesome. One of my favourite estate cars. These are killer cool. You don't usually see these anymore. Well, no, you don't see them anymore. That's in really, really nice condition. Love it.
big swoop and bend. Off round the bend.
Start down the eye test. Oh. I'll give you what you all about your passport now. Medium.
I'm going to go around it again because the sun's in the wrong direction. That's killer.
Shame how we finished this split is we're making some carbon one.
Right guys, that's the end of the show. So on that note, seeds are bubbling on.